After na grocery. So, ano kaya ang pinamimili? Hoy, langaw! Paksi! Shit! The fly is getting inside! First big shop for the month of October. Pamili ng asawa ko pagkain. Food niya. Mincemeat. Binigyan. Shibot ng pork. And beef. And extra cheese. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Australianang Bisaya. To this video, mag-unpacking tayo sa mga gino-grocery ng asawa ko. Guys, siya na nagpunta sa grocery store. Tapos, tingnan natin kung anong pinamimili, no? Kung sinunod ba yung nasa listahan ko. Let's go! Let's rice. Nasa listahan ko. Check. Buttermilk. Check. Dessert. That's fine. He loves this one. So, it's okay. No, father's food at home.
No, this is the nice one for home.
In the home. In the bathroom. I had my body shower.
Have a look at your lobster.
And my husband got me a surprise. Wow! Thank you, Bobby. This is our first shopping week of the month. Hi? Big one. So, bread is guys, so that's fine. Wala to sa listahan ko. So, it's needed. To all of you, after you have your grocery, you need to check all your items kung tama ba yung nandito sa bahay at yung price. So, dito hindi talaga tayo makapagtipid sa food. Very expensive here in Australia. Mas lalo yung asawa ko, Australian. Hindi siya kakain ng pagkain ko. Kakainin yung pagkain ng Australian. So, walang tipid sa pagkain dito. Yung surprise na binili ng asawa ko kasi alam niya naman na gusto ko yung mga safe foods na kakanin. Sabi ko lang sa niya, could you please buy me the prawn, tiger prawn, and lobsters. Alamin nyo guys kung how much ang kilo ng lobsters. $79.99 a kilo. So this one is 0.68 kilogram, 68 grams. Then the price is $54.87. So and crab, so that's fine as long as tiger prawn, nearly $30 a kilo. And then yung lobsters, local cook, 17.9 kilo, and then 54.87. So wow. First guys, buksan natin. Thank you, Bob, for buying my lobster. Yay! Wow. Lobster! Yum! Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Ooh, smells really good. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Minsan lang tayo nakakain ito guys kasi ang mahal-mahal, no? Very expensive talaga yung lobsters. Thank you so much to my beautiful husband. Na ang tagal-tagal ko nang hindi nakakain ng lobsters kasi ang sobrang mahal. So, ganitong size, guys, no? Medyo malaki naman din siya. Wow! So, $54.87. Ito, more than half kilo. And then, maybe kung equivalent sa piso natin, more or less 1,900. So, malapit na siya. Mag 2,000 pesos. Yan. Pero, masarap naman. Di bali na yung peso. At saka, minsanan lang naman ako nakakain ng ganito kasi sobrang mahal. Hindi kaya ng power. Pero, yung asawang bumili ko, so, why not? Coconut! At saka, yung crab, medyo affordable yung crab. 28.899 cents per crab na hindi pa siya luto, guys. Yung crab. Dalawang crab. Hindi masyadong kalakihan din. So, mga $14 siya, $14. So, maybe $14 in pesos. Nearly 500, maybe. Sobrang mahal. Why, girl? Nakalimutan mo? Nasa Australia ka? Hindi ka sa Pilipinas. And then, guys, may isa pang surprise yung asawa ko, guys. Wine. Ricaduna style Italiano daw, 1921. Thank you, my love, for spoiling me. Wine is life, guys. Pero hopefully one day, no? Pag may grasya tayo, share tayo sa Pilipinas. Lovely wife, happy life. Huh? Is that what? Lovely wine, happy life. Lovely wine, happy life. Oh. Lovely wine, happy wife. Lovely wine, happy wife. Ricaduna, it's style Italiano. Oh, come on, Bobby, let's get a drink. Oh, I'm drunk. Ingredients of double chocolate pudding. So that's the flour. This is for the water, 1 egg, and butter. Heat oven to 190 degrees or 170 degrees Fahrenheit for the mix. Then water, 40 ml, and butter, melted butter, and 1 egg.
And then combine it.
And mix with spoon until combined. And that's one to make it even. That's the what's it called? This is sprinkle the sauce.
Right, we're gonna make sure everything's poured up.
Yeah, hot water. Make it even.
Make sure it dissolves too.
Sudah sila?
No, we're gonna go 1/2 cup.
1.5 cup.
Pour in more meal. 1/2 cup. Okay, so just mix it around a bit to get some of it dissolved. If you can.
Guys, it's ready. Yum.